Welcome to NOM Bytes, a series of short videos to give you a taste of what's included in Neo4j Ops Manager. In this video, we'll use NOM to set up role-based access control. We've been asked to set up an employee database for the HR team. We choose the single instance and the security option from the menu. The database is ready, so we need to secure it. We start by creating two users. Firstly, the HR admin user for the HR manager. We'll use simple passwords and may need to ignore warnings from Google Chrome. Next, an account for the HR advisor. Both accounts will be ready to go without needing to change passwords. Security in Neo4j is managed with roles, so we create two new roles. HR All is used to grant access to the employee database for all HR members. HR Denied is used to restrict access to sensitive information in the employee database. We'll assign this role to the HR advisor. Now we set the privileges for the roles in the Privileges tab. Firstly, we grant access for the employee database to everyone in HR. We also grant all graph privileges to everyone in HR. Lastly, we deny the ability for users in the HR Denied role to be able to see the salary of employees. We do this by specifying deny match, which is read and traverse, the salary property in the employee database for nodes of type person, and we apply this restriction or this deny to the HR Denied role. It's worth noting this is a simplified example and we've granted more privileges than a production implementation for the purposes of this demo. Let's test this out. We're connected as the HR administrator as seen in the video. We have nothing in the database currently. Let's create a person node for Fred and give him a salary of 10,000. If we then query the database, we can see all of the details for that particular record. Now if we connect as the HR advisor and run the same query, we can see the person node for Fred, but not his salary as defined in the privileges. Finally, back on NOM, if we wanted to see all the privileges for a given role, we can use the search box to find the information we need quickly. Job done.